Mas malamig ngayon compare noon. 14 degrees. Wow, ang lamig. First thing to do after immigration, look for a money changer in Terminal 1. Medyo mahirap maghanap ng money changer sa labas. I decided to buy SIM card with unlimited Wi-Fi for 5 days through online. So, i-claim ko ngayon dito sa booth nila sa Terminal 1. We are looking for airport, MRT station to Taiwan MRT stations. Kasi doon kami magsasakay ng high-speed train. So, hanapin muna namin.
Okay, finish. Platform 1.
Platform
To HSR.
Daddy, how was it? How was it? Just, it's not a big what's happening. My mom was really smart.
Ito pala yun, outlet store of branded and signatures items. It is near at Taoyuan MRT station. Grabe, ang lamig ngayon dito sa Taoyuan station. Super!
Ay, the ticket hall. Ito, basahin mo. Pwede ba da? Oh, pwede. Lamig, guys! Lamig!
So, what is the time now? 12:30. So,
High speed nga pala dahil.
we decided to both reserve tickets to make it sure na from our hotel in Taichung town proper, we took a taxi to San Moon Lake bus station. It's only 85 Taiwan dollar for our taxi fare. While in bus going to San Moon Lake, vice versa, it is 361 per person. From Taichung bus station to San Moon Lake, our travel time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Excited na kami makarating sa San Moon Lake. Awesome ang view. This is the hotel we're going to stay here for one night. Binuko lang to sa booking.com, so magbabayad muna ako. It's a good location because near on pier and bus station, so hindi mahirap puntahan. Medyo maaga pa, so we are going to leave our things in our room para makita rin namin yung room namin. Tcharan! Wow! It's nice! Ganda!
Oh, can I just say the view?
Maliit lang yung room, pero okay na. Maganda naman yung view niya.
Punta na tayo dun. Number 2 daw. Tara. Nami. Mabat nami.
Andito kami ngayon sa boat. Medyo malakas ang ulan. Timing na timing.
Hey!
This one. Oh, wow. Parang dinosaur egg.
Hah? Dinosaur? 来相陪。
Time again, 800 meters na lalakarin namin to reach Sun Moon Lake Groupway. Medyo malayo.
Hi guys! Mama! Hello! Hello! Hello!
Pagod maglakad Wow, ang ganda naman ng cherry blossoms. Grabe, ang ganda ng kulay. Pink na pink.
We're here again! Ang favorite doon sa bayan.
Sana MRT ganito na lang. Hindi ako magmamadali.
You're here at the cable car. Akitan mo kami ng bundok. Ito ang thrill sa lahat sumakay ng cable car. Dati yung mag-ama ko takot yan sa heights. Lumati ang tutod sumakay ng cable car. Lahat ng lugar gusto nagkikable. Ni-enjoy. Very nice. Ang ganda-ganda nitong Sun Moon Lake. Bukod sa maganda ang climate.
Yup. Super ganda.
Yes. Super ganda. Ang tahimik. Yes. I-feel mo talaga ang environment, ang nature.
Eh, di ba sa Pilipinas yan?
很多人说一日船票什么意思？你们可以今天呢？
Balik na tayo sa hotel, tapos mamaya tayo kumain. Ikot muna tayo. Baka may makita tayo mabit. Grabe, ang lalaki ng prutas dito. Itong mangga o napakalaki. Sus, ang tamis siguro nito. Ito, ano ba to? Balingbing. Matamis to. Tikman natin to. Dahil ang bibilhin natin. Pili ka na. Bayaran mo rin ha.
Bayabas. Sobrang simple ng buhay nila. Natutulog na sila na alas 7.
Dito kami mag-overnight. See the area. Napaka-quiet sa lugar na to. Ayan. So, until 5 lang yung biyahe ng mga food. So, tahimik na ang lugar na ito. So, if you want to relax, malayo sa syudad, best ang Sun Moon Lake. Okay, bye! See you tomorrow!
Good morning! Wow, ang ganda ng view. Ang sarap gumising pag ganito ang makikita mo sa umaga. We are here at Sushi Pier at Sun Moon Lake, Nantao Country. Yan, gaano kami, trail walk kami. Raya, look! Daddy! Nice view! Say hi! Masarap maglakad kasi malamig, windy, so hindi ka mapapagod.
Ito, nahihiram yan. Trend.
Ito
Nare-rent.
yung sinasabi kong foreign.
Ito maganda. Dad.
Ayun sa atin, tatlo.
Eh, hindi, dadalaw eh.
150 you can miss
本子好可爱。I'm collecting. It's so cute. Ah, ito yung wooden figures, ma. Ang ganda. Cool mo, galing dito.
Ano ba ito?
Parang ang laking tama rin.
It's another day, so we are here at bus station at Sushi Visitor Center. We're waiting for our bus to go back at Taichung. Here at Taichung HSR station, pwede rin kayong sumakay dito time, pwede kayong bumalik, dito rin kayo bababa. We're going back to Taipei. We're going to Taipei. So train ulit kami para mas mabilis. Super enjoy namin ang pag-stay namin sa Sun Moon Lake. I hope nagustuhan niyo itong video ginawa ko. So, we're having our good memories here in Sun Moon Lake. Please watch my other videos here in Taiwan. Thank you!
Okay! We are here at Ethiopia!